Hey guys, welcome. Today there's a new update, guys. I can't believe it. Like, what is that? I heard that there is a stubborn bee and there's whatever that is. Wait, what? I don't know what that is. I forgot what it was called, but wait, bro. Okay, let's go. Look around. Oh, I just discovered that there's something new right there. See the new. Wait, who's on this? Wait, something's different. Wait, there's six? There's six. Guys, you can just fit 6 people now. Why are these there? That's kind of weird. I don't know. That's probably the update. Yeah, guys, so that's so sweet over here. The new update, guys. I'm so excited for it. If you guys saw it, then you should go check it out. If you guys didn't see it, check it out. Or what? No. Okay. There's nothing over here. There's nothing over here. Maybe go back up there. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna get better reviews once I get better ones, because I need them to come back. Guys. Wait, guys. You think I should XD? You stop it. No, nobody wants it. Oh my god. Stop it, fake noodles. Look, I don't know what I was doing there. So let's go. Wait, there's something at the 10 place. Wait, let's go there right now. Nope, we're going there. We're going there. There's a new field. Guys, we gotta go to it. We can't miss it. We gotta go to 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 it. Get up there. Get up there. How do you get up? Oh, there's a new. Wait, what is that? Oh my god. I can't. What the flip is going on here? I don't know what that is, guys. Oh, that's a snail. How did I not know what that was? Oh my god. God, that's a big snake. A snail. How can I get eggs? Oh, okay, I don't care. So I think we need a royal, guys. We need a royal. I heard that you can craft it. I just figured out there's new music. But is there a new bag? Is there a new bag? Is there a new bag? There better be. I'm gonna scream. Wait. Guys, they're gone. God, it's cool at the same time, guys. Let's go. There could be something at the 10 place. I'm gonna go figure that out. There could be a new bag. There has to be. Because what is the night music? Okay, the night music is the same, guys. The night music is the same, guys. What is that? 20 tickets. Wait, what? Magic Band. Oh, that was Magic Band. I think I like this field. Oh. Well, guys. This is gonna be awesome, guys. I love it. Everyone to do it before. Guys, this is really cool. Hi, snail. Oh my god, it kills you. Obviously it does. Why are the bees killing it? Anyway, so what the heck? I would not kill you. I'm gonna do it, but let's go check if there's something at the 25 lab. Please see something at the 25, guys. Is there a new bag? Let's see. Wait. There's something there. There's something there, guys. There's something there. There's something there. Let's go check it out, guys. We need to fill this up fast. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. This is a new update. Oh my god. I cannot believe this, guys. There's like a new update. I feel like there's a new bag. It looks like a honey dipper, porcelain. The porcelain dipper, guys. See the porcelain dipper. How's my temperature? Temperature. Oh. So guys, we are going to be. Oh.
Those are expensive chairs. Well, they're really expensive chairs. The legs are
I can't stand this anymore. Okay, guys, while this is taking out, we're just gonna talk a little bit. So, guys, if you guys like the video, so guys, I hope you guys like and subscribe. Let's get 10,000 likes. 10,000 likes, guys, and I'll do more of. I'll do more of this beeswarm, guys. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Whoa!
don't do that. There's like 2-3 pockets there.
So guys, we're gonna be doing it, God. And I'll try to get the stubborn bait. Wow, let's check if there's a bit of it. Oh my god, I wanna see if it can be. Let's go check real quick. Come on, dude. You have one, I do. My friend has one, but I don't. Wait, how much tickets do I have? None. Let's go. Make honey. So guys, we're gonna be doing it, guys. Yeah, we're gonna do. 2 hours later, I'm still making honey. Whoa, guys. Look. So, we're waiting like for 2 hours! You know what? Just skip this. I'll do it in another. I'll do it while I'm not making YouTube videos right now. So let's go to 25 plus. Guys, if you didn't see my hack, go check that out. On YouTube, on my channel. You can go. It's like a hack, guys. I just don't know why they took that away. Wait. The price. Guys. That is weird. Equipped it. Equip that. And then, oh, okay, guys. So we're gonna go there right now, guys. I was like kind of weird. I was kind of weird. So there's 25 bucks, guys. Okay, we're gonna run there, guys. Go. I thought I was gonna have a new picture.
Congratulations, Jacob.
What?
I'm sick too.
For real?
Well, kind of sick, but not
Go
really,
on.
because I have a sore throat.
Did you eat your lunch and your snack today?
Yeah. But not all of my snacks. I just ate the
So
yogurt and
this,
half of my
while we're waiting, guys, we are still.
I didn't get
Oh, look, mommy,
all my lunch.
mommy.
You ate all of your lunch?
Except the Oreos. and
Guys,
the
this is
ones
a
with
hack.
banana
Oh,
Did you eat
dude,
your cookies?
What?
Did you eat your other cookies?
guys,
yesterday?
look at it. So there real quick, so guys, we're gonna hit 10,000 likes. Please, guys, hit 10,000 likes on this video. And today, Guys, I hope there's a new bag. There better be a new bag or I'm gonna be freaking out. What's this new play?
You were 6, but you almost stood up. Calm down because it could come back. And you don't want that, I don't think. I've been sick.
Guys, imagine. No! That was a bad idea.
I wanted to look at him because he's still on the tree.
Guys, let me just do this.
Just
Oh my.
for you, they were on sale.
What?
They're special, and I won't get them at that low price anymore.
There we go!
You got the princesses, right? Yeah. Those are yours. Okay.
Oh, mine is Star Wars.
So imagine if there's an there better be a 25 area. I mean a 25 new bag.
I'm gonna have some.
Baby, I'm freaking out.
You can't have it now. His stomach is upset.
Oh.
His stomach is upset.
Mine?
No, his.
No, mine. I'm doing mine.
Oh, okay.
But first, can I have a cocktail?
No.
Still.
Alright.
Guys, I'm gonna close my eyes. Better be one there. No. Wait.
I'm coming, honey. I'm gonna. Takes me a while to get up, you know.
Ah! Hate this. What? Okay, guys. So make sure I'm gonna end this video here. So, guys, I think you guys should make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Let's try to hit 10,000 likes, please, guys. Give me the support for those plays, guys. Please. And if you guys subscribe, I'll let you join my game and friend me, guys. Okay? So, we're gonna go do that right now, guys. And bye!